guys, how are y'all doing today? I am not a vlogger, but you know what? I've got a camera and we're gonna see what we can do, okay? Let's get out of the car. Look at what we have here.
Eating time. I know, babies.
We've got some hungry donkeys. It would focus. Bah! Bah! Does anyone else talk to their sheep, or is that just us? Taylor's awfully excited today.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Y'all are so pretty.
Oh, ain't that some good grass? That's some good grass.
Look back there. The sheep are like, I'm hungry too. All right, let's go. Let's go see. Oh. Whoops. Going here with the sheep. The little baby lamb was born. Actually, 2 of them. I had like 6 little lambs born. Oh, my shoes are gonna get so muddy. Oh my gosh, look at this. I don't want to mess my shoes all up.
Yeah, they're gonna get muddy.
All right, let's go around. Look at this. Look at this little baby. Woo, it is muddy today. Oh no, Taylor, it's in with the donkey. Taylor.
Heather, go away. Get away. Good job. Get away.
Oh no.
Get away.
Go get it. It just went through the gate. Oh my gosh. The little baby lamb that was born today is with the 4 donkeys. Oh my God, please be careful. Oh, thank God they're all moving for it. Oh, that is so scary.
Come on, baby. He's okay.
Whew. Oh, thank y'all so much for not going after the baby lamb. Good donkeys. Oh. Okay, that was extremely scary. That's never happened before. Where's your mama? Say hi, everybody. So this is actually my first vlog I've ever done. I'm not sure how I'm doing. Almost could have witnessed something really bad. Don't go back there. Oh. Don't go do that again, okay? That was kind of scary.
It's her first. Those are her first kids.
Ah!
All right.
Okay, I just don't want any rams to...
That's how they're gonna die.
Okay, not die. They're gonna be okay.
Not joking.
All right.
This is how all babies die, is when you feed.
Hey guys, okay, so I came out here a couple days ago, and first time I've ever planted any plants, especially at the land. I don't know what kind of soil or anything this is, but look, of course I marked it off. Not the prettiest, but I'm trying to grow some flowers. We'll see how this works. I know that I should have leveled this a little bit better, but there's always next time. So we'll see how this grows. But if you look, there's a little creek back there. And all sorts of flowers are blooming over here. You are so your father. That is so something Dad would say. Like 100%. Hey, in the background, I'm gonna make something funny. I'm gonna talk about something funny.
What do you think about my tractor?
That is so your father. Our father. Well, here's the sexy tractor. And all sorts of other gadgets back here.
It's got a diesel.
All right. Hey everyone. We're gonna show you, these are guinea pigs?
No, not guinea pigs. Guinea fowl. Birds.
Guinea birds?
Guinea fowl.
Yeah. Woo, it's stinky. They are scared of everything, as I would be too. They stink really bad.
Annoying.
They smell awful.
Look at all these guinea eggs. It's got all 60. Way more than you know what to do with.
Alright, let's keep going. Woohoo! Let's smell. Let's go look at some chickens. Hey, chicken, chicken, chicken.
Go inside.
Say hi, guys.
What's up, chicken?
So we only have 4 chickens. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Lovely names. And look at all of these eggs. So none over here, for some reason they don't like to lay their eggs here. But look at this. Like, does anyone know how good or how long chicken eggs last? Let's see why my camera doesn't focus. That's crazy. 4. Alright guys, see you later.